Exploring AI-powered autonomous vehicles, the technology behind the wheel. Overview. We assess needs, trained AI models, developed and tested algorithms, and optimized performance post-deployment. Key challenges: real-time decision-making and navigation, traffic prediction and congestion management, sensor fusion for accurate mapping. Regulatory, compliance and safety adherence, handling diverse environments and weather, large-scale AI model training. Technology used: front-end, React.js, Vue.js, Angular. Back-end, Node.js, Django, Flask, Spring Boot. AI models: OpenAI GPT, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Watson, AI. Cloud infra: AWS, Google Cloud, Azure AI. Database: PostgreSQL, MongoDB, Firebase. IoT and sensors: LiDAR, radar, GPS, cameras. Solutions offered: AI solutions are transforming autonomous vehicles with optimized routes, traffic prediction to reduce congestion, and object detection for enhanced safety. Fleet management improves logistics. Computer vision enables real-time hazard response, and IoT communication ensures seamless vehicle interaction. Our approach: we assessed needs, trained AI models, developed and tested autonomous algorithms, and continuously optimized performance post-deployment. Key features: Key features of autonomous vehicles include AI-powered self-navigation for autonomous driving, real-time route optimization with traffic predictions, and AI-driven hazard detection through computer vision safety. IoT connectivity enables smart vehicle communication, while sensor fusion provides integrated environmental awareness. Plus, self-learning AI adapts and enhances driving intelligence, making each journey safer and more efficient. Achievements: AI has reduced accidents by 30%, improved traffic efficiency by 40%, and saved 50% in fuel. With 99% detection accuracy and 95% uptime, our system has been tested over 1 million miles. Revolutionizing the road, the future of AI-powered autonomous vehicles. Contact Sapphire Software Solutions today, and let's revolutionize the roads with AI-powered solutions. Sapphire Software Solutions, your partner in digital innovation.